The age-old argument is, do you become a vlogger or do you become a blogger? I guess in today's market, you want to make sure you have a combination of both. You want to be able to drive your traffic to your channel, and what better way to do that through a blog, as well as the other benefits of whether you're going to put up some merchandise or whatnot. You can't really do that on a YouTube channel, so you have to have a platform to do that on. But today's focus is going to be around embedding YouTube videos within your blog, especially WordPress. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Jim from SEO Marketeer. I put up video tutorials on web development and social media marketing. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get to it. My top 5 picks on embedding videos into your WordPress site. First on my pick today is Embedded Plus for YouTube. Embedded Plus for YouTube is one of the best YouTube WordPress plugins on the market. There's more than 200,000 active installs. This made it #1 on my list. The plugin has everything you might need for your WordPress YouTube embedded plugin. You can make video galleries from the YouTube playlist or channels. You can also hide related videos and much more. Although there's a paid version with more features, you can get a lot out of the free version. The Pro version supports caching, and it's going to speed up the page loads opposed to the free version, but the free version should be good enough to get you started. So if you have a big website, getting the Pro version is a good idea. In case you just want to test this plugin, all the core features are available in the free version. The only downside is your website might run a little bit slower. So some of the key features. What are the key features of the Embedded Plus? You can create a responsive YouTube video gallery from your playlist to YouTube channel. It's compatible with WordPress 5 Plus and also the Gutenberg block editor. This is a key thing in today's environment, right? It supports GDPR. If you're not familiar with what GDPR is, it's General Data Protection Regulations out of the box. This is with this option, like no cookie, YouTube API restriction, and customizable GDPR consent messages. YouTube Gallery Auto Continuous Play allows for continuous playing of the playlist or channel gallery. Viewers don't need to click on the next video. You also have display YouTube live streams directly on your website. Show or hide related videos at the end. Disabling related videos is a good way to keep users on your website longer. You can make your video gallery or live videos responsive, so you can make your video gallery or live stream responsive, so you could dynamically fit all the screen sizes, smartphone, PC, or tablets. Okay, #2 on my list is WP YouTube Lite. It's another WordPress plugin by Frank Guzens, and you'll see Fruta. So WP YouTube Lite is a completely free plugin opposed to having a paid version. The main focus of this plugin is lazy loading of videos. So if your website loads slow because of YouTube videos, this plugin's perfect for you. The plugin works by inserting responsive, what they call light YouTube embeds. So from a user perspective, these video embeds look like normal YouTube videos. However, there's no call to YouTube if the user does not click on the video, which is, I guess, always a downside. Okay, there's also options to cache YouTube thumbnails locally, improving both performance and privacy. This may also help with GDPR, however, you should consult your lawyer to be sure of that. Okay, where you also have some YouTube links, this plugin will pick them up. Therefore, you continue to use a regular WordPress interface for adding video links. Alternatively, you can use the WP Lite sidebar widget if you don't want to put them directly on your main content and just want them to appear in your sidebar. Okay, this plugin, you have support of all web browsers. Also, the plugin has full support for responsive scaling of videos based on device screen size, which is critical with mobile devices. So the key features of the WP YouTube Lite is lazy loading, support for video object microdata, cross-browser compatibility, full control of player size, and it's multilingual, which is great if you're going to have your website appear in many countries. To wrap things up, if your WordPress video site is running slow from all YouTube videos, give this plugin a go. Number 3 on my list is Essentials Grid Gallery. If you're looking to build a grid of YouTube videos, we recommend Essential Grid Gallery plugin. Besides making a grid of your YouTube video, this plugin offers more features. The plugin supports all big social media streams like Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, Twitter, Flickr. Also, you can build custom WordPress gallery grid out of the posts and pages, which is always key on a WordPress blog. The downside to this plugin is it's not free. It starts at around $34 for a single site license per year, and it goes up from there if you have multi-sites, or if you want an unlimited license. Your best bet is just to check the website at the time of watching this video, because it could come down or it could go up. Like I said, it starts around $34, and it would be different if you're in different countries. Some of the key features of support for YouTube, Vimeo, HTML self-hosted video, iframe, images, posts. It also has WooCommerce support and gallery capabilities. It has dedicated a video tutorial channel for beginners, which is always key if you're looking to learn without having to go watch a lot of YouTube videos. Is responsive and mobile optimized, which is always critical for multi-device types. It has visual skin editor. It has various animation types and preloaders. The key benefits of going with a paid plugin like this is the ability to do much more than just YouTube videos. The plugin also comes with a number of pre-built templates to choose from, for blog posts, for portfolio grids, for image galleries, for events, for e-commerce. Like I said, it supports WooCommerce, of course, videos. It also has an Instagram gallery, and even has a audio player for if you're just doing audio type files. So number 4 on my list is Video Gallery, YouTube Gallery. It's another plugin by TotalSoft. In case you want to build a YouTube video gallery, we recommend using YouTube Video Gallery plugin. The plugin promises a full, responsive, and touch-friendly design. In other words, your gallery will look good on your device. Also, you are not limited to just YouTube videos. The plugin also supports Vimeo, Wistia, and good old-fashioned MPEG-4 videos. There's a free and paid version of this plugin, like most of them. As at the time of writing this article, the paid version is around £15 for a personal site, and $29 for a business, and $50 for what they consider a developer license. Some of the key features of this is going to be it's a user-friendly editor. It's nice and sleek, has nice and sleek light box, has video gallery themes. There's 16 in the free version. Responsive and touch friendly. Supports YouTube, Vimeo, Wista, MPEG-4 is always key. It's gallery animation that runs smoothly on a mobile device, and it has unlimited upload capabilities. Although there's a paid version, you get a lot more than the free version. The paid version only adds the ability to change the look of the gallery, meaning you can change the font, color, icons, and so on. If you're happy with the looks of the free version, then you keep using the free version of this plugin, and there's no sense in spending the money on the paid version. Simple to install, straight from the WordPress plugin section. Check out some of these screenshots below. There's a fancy gallery, the Lightbox gallery, the thumbnail gallery, the content gallery, and the elastic gallery. So number 5 on my list is YouTube Showcase. This is one of the best YouTube video galleries for WordPress. If you're looking, if you did not like the previous choices, we have one more than you could try out. Although this plugin is marketed as a gallery plugin, it also supports grid layouts. If you go with the gallery option, this plugin will display video thumbnail navigation at the bottom. The videos are ordered by last video first. For the grid layout, you get a 4-column responsive layout. Compared to our previous plugin on the list, YouTube Showcase does not have many options. However, it's also a completely free plugin, so if its feature set works for your website, then there's no reason not to use it. Some of the key features here are all-in-one place videos, set a video image independently of the owner's image, has video autoplay options, which is pretty cool because a lot of the other versions don't have autoplay. Edit and update video information easily. So that's it for YouTube Showcase. Now I have a couple other honorable mentions. I did mention there was only going to be 5, but there's a couple honorable mentions here. We got Video Gallery, YouTube Playlist Channel Gallery by Youtube WP. That's a bit of a mouthful, huh? So Youtube is another responsive YouTube video gallery plugin. The plugin supports embedded videos from various sources like playlists, channels, username, and more. It also supports a large selection of highly customizable layouts. You can create YouTube video grids, list, and mix layouts. So another one is Video Composer, YouTube channel with Carousel Premium. This is a WordPress. This premium plugin if you want videos on YouTube channel. This plugin comes with 7 predefined beautiful design templates. It's fully responsive for YouTube channel grid. It's multi-gallery per page. There's no API key required. It's plug and play. Just add your YouTube user ID and it'll work straight out of the box. Highly customizable options. It's fully controlled over element, style, looks, and feel. So another one is Youtube WordPress channel plugin that we decided to include this on the last on the list. It's a user-friendly video editor. You can display videos on YouTube channel, playlist, and videos. It's fully customizable with over 100 adjustable parameters. Has AdSense supports, which is cool because I haven't included that in any of the other plugins. It's 100% compatible with WordPress and works with any WordPress theme, which makes it pretty universal. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. That is my quick pick. We had 5 on the list and a couple honorable mentions. If you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Thanks.